I gave you my heart.
Hey my love bugs, welcome back to my channel. My name's Misha. If you're new, make sure you subscribe so you guys never miss a video. Hey my love, so I'm about to head out. It's currently like 12:30. I know Bae's probably waiting on me, but we're about to go to like a little car meet this little afternoonish. It's so nice outside, but it's so windy and cold. Fall is coming, you guys. Fall is actually starting next week, and you know your girl is just trying to get ready. Super excited. I want to show you guys my outfit, and everything is from like London's Classic. I got all this stuff from Goodwill except for my shoes, but I'm wearing hoop earrings. Did a little slight makeup, you know what I'm saying? You know your girl is on the natural vibes. But yeah, so I gotta get ready to go because Bae's waiting on me. But I'm gonna show you guys the OOTD in a sec. This is what I am rocking. This sweatshirt, this hoodie from Goodwill. It says London on it, and I believe it's from the brand London Classics. And I love their jeans, you guys. I freaking love their pants. Have to donate clothes. Gotta do that very soon. And just wearing my Adidas. This is the vibe for today because it's cold, windy, but we still cute. But let's go. So we had to make a pit stop because Bae had to bleed his car. Car guys. So yeah, I'm wearing my Desi Perkins. These are her first shades that she came out with Quay, Australia. No, I have not bought any recent ones. I've just been like on a binge of just like really thrifting and just really, I don't know. But yeah, so these are her sunnies that I'm wearing, the very first ones. I love these. These are like my fave, ultimate fave. They're the black high key and I love them and I'm wearing them today. But here's my makeup, you know, something, little something. There's something on my eye.
Really?
I took it off.
Oh.
So yeah, Bae's just working on his car before we head out to make sure everything is a-okay. Because you know, you want to be safe on the road, especially guys who are into drifting and car stuff and car meets. You know what I'm saying? They gotta make sure their car is a-okay. But yeah, I'm comfy. I wish I had coffee. I'm really craving some coffee right now. I don't know if Bae will stop and get me coffee. But yeah, it's such a beautiful day outside, you guys. It's so beautiful, but it is very cold. It's very chilly, FYI. But yeah, so today's gonna be a very, very good day, very chill day. Tomorrow I want to vlog as well because I want to go to Marshall's. So I got a gift card. I want to use it. I want to get some skincare stuff and I want to see what they got in the skincare section. Otherwise I would just buy a purse, but let's see what they got tomorrow. So you guys will be coming with me to Marshall's. I want to vlog and get used to me driving because you know I'm a new driver. I've been driving for a while now, going to work and stuff like that, but going anywhere else, you know, that's a new journey for me. But I'm proud of myself. I drove to my mom's friend's house that's on the other side of town and I did it all by myself. Super proud. I know this might sound tedious or like stupid, but listen, for those people out there who are first-time drivers, it's okay. I see you. I got you, girl. But yeah, update on my pinky finger really quick. Girl, I do get pain shooting up my pinky finger and I am scared to like really hold things or grab things with this hand because I'm so used to using my left hand for everything. But now since I've injured it, it's a whole completely different feeling. So I'm very careful, and from now on, like I can only do this because when I try to like do other things. Oh, that's fine. I'll stop vlogging, so gotta go.
No, you don't have to go.
Oh.
I just don't know if the engine's gonna mess up the video.
It's okay. But yeah, my pinky's okay. She's somewhat back to normal. She's just hurt. She's sore sometimes, and I feel like a pain shooting up my finger. It's just really weird. So I'm very careful with this hand. Like that's how I feel now. I have to be careful, or I can injure it again, which I can, and I would probably have to get surgery. So yeah, my pinky finger is straight now. I mean, she's okay. I'm just very cautious with her, okay? But yeah, so let me walking to Starbucks because I need a coffee, and I told Bae I need a coffee. I just can't do this, so that's where I'm about to go. Starbucks. We're just out for a nice drive. It's really nice out here. We're like in a different part of Connecticut because I'm from Connecticut, so we're just taking a nice little drive. Well, we were going to a car meet, but I guess nobody's there. But it's super gorgeous out, and like my boyfriend was like, this is a nice little town. I'm like, yeah, it is. Like, I don't know, I've been thinking a lot about like, where do I want to live when I get older, like when I want to have children. Like, this is like nerve-wracking because I'm 28 and like I want to have kids somewhere in my 30s, you know, but mama got some work to do, you know what I'm saying? I got some, you know, some coins to make, we got some jobs to do. Super excited, but I'm just excited about life and what's ahead and what's ahead for me in my future. I know God is good and he's looking down on me, and I know that he's always gonna bless me and be here for me, so I just gotta work hard, and that's what I'm doing. So I've been uploading. I hope you guys can tell, and I hope you guys are enjoying all these uploads. If you guys have any video requests, comment down below. I would really love that. But for right now, I'm just gonna keep uploading almost every day. Like, that's how I feel right now. I just want to be on the ball with filming and uploading for you guys. I actually want to do some more lookbooks, some more girl chats, all that fun stuff. So I want to do some chit chat vlogs, all that stuff. So yeah, that should be really fun. But yeah, it's really nice. Everything okay?
You called it flat. Something told me to bring a fucking spare wheel too.
Oh, well, that sucks. Yeah, so one of his friends just caught a flat tire. That kind of sucks because we're really far from home, like really far. Far. Maybe like an hour away, maybe more. Not even, like hour and a half maybe, but yeah, so I'm just chilling here, hoping for the best, and they can help him fix his tire so we can go home, because at this point I'm pretty sure you want to go home once your tire catches a flat. But yeah, I have some work to do, some content to shoot for you guys for Instagram, so go check out my Instagram. I'll leave it like down below for you guys. Oh, that's a big dog. Hey you guys, so I'm back home, about to make some pizza with Bae, some DiGiorno pizza. Yeah, so we made it home safely. I'm sorry I did not vlog the car little meet part because we actually went to the park and they did meet up with a couple of guys, but I did not vlog that part. I was just enjoying the moment, and the little friend hopped in the car, little grasshopper. That was cute, but it was not fun. But yeah, so I'm just gonna end the vlog here, wash my face, put on a face mask, and just have a glass of wine and watch a movie. So I'll see you guys tomorrow.
I gave you my heart.